Tired of repainting and redoing your concrete floors every few years? Ditch the paint, forget bare concrete. Here's the smarter, stronger and longer-lasting alternative. At Superior Floor Coatings, we transform dull, unprotected concrete into high-performance surfaces that stand the test of time. From epoxy to urethane systems, our floors are engineered for performance, protection and visual impact. Epoxy bonds stronger than paint, resisting chips, cracks and heavy impact. It's built to handle forklifts, machinery and everyday wear without breaking down. Tired of those oil stains? Your new epoxy floor is super easy to clean and built to be user-friendly. Get that fresh, new look every single day. With Superior Floor Coatings, where durability meets design. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more transformations, or visit superiorfloorcoatings.com to get started today. Superior Floor Coatings, the foundation of lasting impressions.